What is going on, you guys? Alex here with Sportline, bringing you another Tesla video. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing and install of our new Model 3 roof shade set. So let's go ahead and open up the package and see what we've got. So as you can see, these come folded up kind of similar to a windshield shade, and so these are just going to unfold and fold up very easily, and they have a built-in reflector on the side which is going to help keep the interior of the car cool. And these tabs right here are just going to help us secure these shades up in the headliner. So let's move over to the car now and get these put up in their headliner. Alright, with the shade unfolded, we're going to go ahead and line up the front here. And these do have a certain shape to it, so if it's not fitting, spin it around the other way and line it up again, and you'll see it should fit the opening in the roof perfectly. So now I'm just going to let this kind of hang and sit on top of the headrest while I get our plastic tabs here, and we're just going to snap these on to the edges, and then we'll slip them underneath the headliner. When not in use, the shades can be stored in the included storage bag. Alright, that is going to do it for us today on our new Model 3 roof sunshades. If you want to learn more about this product, you can do that at tsportline.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, and if you're not already, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified whenever we post new videos. We've got lots more Tesla content coming very soon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.